Turf toe taping is essentially longitudinal strips supporting the first FD joint of the foot. You'll need these supplies here, 1-inch tape, 1.5-inch tape, and tape adherent. The process will be to apply adherent throughout the arch, and just a little bit on top, and then around the base of the side of the toe. The first anchor strip will be to take 1-inch tape and apply it to the proximal phalanx of the first digit. The second anchor strip will be to place it at a slight angle in the arch of the foot, leaving a gap on top for expansion. There will be about an 1.5-inch gap on the top of the foot. Then we begin longitudinal strips, starting at the base of the first digit and fanning it out throughout the length between the anchor strips. Notice how the fan is wider here than it is up on the toe. Some people will stop right there if all they need is to prevent extension. Sometimes you need to continue and go all of the way around, or at least 3/4 of the way around the foot. Overlapping the tape all the way along the way. And if you need to protect it flexion also, then you need to make sure that you put on some strips along the dorsal area of the foot. Then we apply a cover strip to hold all of those pieces in place on the toe. And hold on to the tape, kind of press it down, hold on to the tape here, and ask the patient, does this give you enough support if I were to tape that down right now? Yes or no. If the answer is yes, then we can leave it right there. If the answer is no, we could always pick these up, pull down a little bit further, and tighten that tape. Then we cover it up again, doing the 3/4 strips, leaving a gap up on top, just like before. 2 to 3 strips on the bottom, depending on how much we need to cover up and how much protection that they need. The more protection around that joint, the more support we give it. Then we're going to go on top and do 3/4 strips going the other way, covering up those tape ends of the ones that we had before. And having them go around the bottom. If they have a problem with the foot spreading out and it just becoming too tight, you can always place light pressure, then lay the tape on and release it. There's your turf toe taping.